I'm at a super weird point in my life right now. It's like I'm proud of my progress, but it's something in me that make me feel like I'm still not doing enough.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Adunni. I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my 3 months hair update. I'm going to be talking about the products I have been using for the past 3 months, the styles I have been doing for the past 3 months, and just my maintenance tips that has helped to grow my hair for the past 3 months, and lastly, length check. But before we go into today's video, I want to say a big thank you to everybody that has found this channel worthy to subscribe to. I want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. We recently hit our 1000 subscriber milestone, and guys, I am so excited, and I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you so much. There's going to be a totally different video for that. Today we are going to be talking about my hair, and settle down, let's gist about this hair. And I'm not even going to be gatekeeping anything. We don't do that over here. So we're going to get straight into this video. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I'm going to give you guys a little backstory. All of my adulthood life, my hair has been relaxed, and I have just been maintaining it. But recently, in the past 1 year, my hair started getting damaged. I honestly don't even know what caused it, and I just decided 3 months ago that I wanted to cut it off. If you haven't seen my big chop video, I'll link it in the description, and I just went off to cut it off. And I actually transitioned for about 30 weeks before cutting it off. So when I cut it off, I just started doing basic things. I didn't want to do too much, because I have noticed that when it comes to my hair, a little goes a long way. And I also don't just want to jump into using products, so I started using things that were readily available to me, and things that I could get within me, things that were easy for me to get. I didn't want to start using products that I would have to do like this before getting. Do you guys understand? So we're going to talk about the products that I have been using and what I think about them. I have a video that actually shows my entire wash day routine when I did my big chop, and that should be in the description box if you're interested. But I'll show you all the products I would normally use for my wash day and how I use them. Okay, so when I had my big chop, one of the major things that really bothered me was the fact that I have a very dry scalp. Another thing is the fact that my edges were barely there. If you get, I'm going to keep the picture here. If you guys see that picture was not nice. It wasn't too nice, so my edges were not there. So I wanted something that would always keep my hair moisturized. I also wanted something that would prevent me from having dandruff. So the brand I went for was this. So the first shampoo, the shampoo I have been using since I had my big chop, is this one. It is the Mega Growth Stimulating Shampoo. It is anti-breakage, it strengthens, it restores, and it repair. So this is what it looks like, and it is 354 mils. I think it is actually, like, quantity wise, it's actually very good, and it is very moisturizing for my hair type. And it says it prevents dry hair and scalp, which was one of my major concerns when I had my big chop. Another thing that I liked about this shampoo, about this particular product, is the fact that it has a very nice scent to it. It is not harsh, it's just subtle. Like, I really like this shampoo. So this is the only shampoo I have been using since I had my big chop. So for my conditioner, I initially started using the stimulating conditioner also, but just so when I wanted to, my conditioner finished before my shampoo. So when I wanted to repurchase my conditioner, I didn't find the stimulating conditioner. So I saw this. detangling conditioner. And now my hair has started growing, like we are having length, we are having volume as compared to my first few months of big chop. So when I saw the detangling conditioner, I was like, okay. Then I went for it. This is it, and this is actually still, I've only used it once. And guys, I even shared on my Instagram story how much I liked this particular conditioner, and I think this is the conditioner I'll be using henceforth. The stimulating conditioner was also very, very good, but I didn't repurchase it because I didn't find it, and I am now hooked on this particular one. So now this says it is a mega growth detangling conditioner. It's also anti-breakage, strengthen, restore and repair. It is 354 ml, and it restores natural shine and softness, detangles and improve manageability, provide vitality, body and bounce, strengthen and protect hair. I'm going to insert a clip of the first time I used this conditioner. My hair was so soft, like it was as if this was the product that my hair was waiting for. So I had this conroll done 2 weeks ago. This is what it looks like. So I washed my hair before doing the conroll, because after this I want to go in with something, with a protective style that I will be able to carry for probably a month. So this is it. And when I used this, I left it on my hair for 15 minutes before washing it out. So that was how I used this. Washed with my shampoo first, then washed with this, and left on my hair for 15 minutes with a nylon and with my bonnet on it. So the next thing I'll be sharing with you guys is my deep conditioner and my leave-in conditioner. One thing I learned while I was transitioning my hair is how much my hair liked deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner I also use is from Mega Growth. It is a Mega Growth deep conditioner. I am currently out of it. It's finished. So the leave-in straightener that I use is the Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Straightener. I like this one because the color is pink. I'm not a pink girl, but I just like it, and it has a very, like, all of these products, they have very, very nice scents. And this particular detangling conditioner has, I don't know how to explain the consistency. It has like, it's not thick. I just don't know. Honestly, this conditioner is very nice, very, very nice. My hair liked it. So like I said earlier, another of my major concern was dandruff. I have very dry scalp, and I also had my big chop during the Harmattan season, and the weather was a bit harsh, so spray, and I love it. If you don't like spray, you don't like menthol, then this particular product is not for you. It says it is the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff Spray, dandruff free therapy, and since I had my big chop, I have not had one particle of dandruff on my hair. It's been very, very helpful. It says with active 2% salicin system, enriched with coconut, menthol and tea tree oil. This product has menthol. It has menthol. It has the peppery menthol thing, and it prevents itchiness, scalp sensitivity, and dandruff flakes. Moisturize your dry scalp, softens hair without weighing it down, leaves scalp feeling healthy and clean. And I would say it actually delivers on everything that it says. I use this directly on my scalp, like on my wash days, and like twice a week, not every time. I use it every time. So the next thing I use is this hair food. If you've seen any of my wash day routine, you probably have seen all of these products, and these are not sponsored. This is what I use, and I'm just telling you what I use. It's not a sponsored, this is not sponsored in any way, but if someone is watching this from Mega Growth, you can reach out to me. My email is going to be in the description box. So the next thing I use is this hair food. So I use it like hair cream just for my scalp, to like condition my scalp and my hair. It's from the brand called TCB Naturals, and it has castor oil in it. And I love the fact that all of these products are Nigerian brands, so they are readily available for me in the market. So the combs I use on my hair, I recently bought this. I used to use the long big comb. Let me show you guys. I I used to use this, so I recently bought this before my last wash day. Like, it's more versatile as compared to this. But if you don't have this, you can use this. If you don't have this, you can use this. If you don't have this, you can use this. Then I use this particular one, but I want to buy another tail comb. I don't know how to describe it. I put the picture of what I want. Then I have two spray bottles. One of my spray bottles normally have plain water in it. Then this one has my deep conditioner and water in it. This one. So basically, those are the products that I use on my hair. And when I want to go to bed, I am not religious with this, so don't judge yourself too. I either use my bonnets. This is my customized bonnet. If you've seen any of my wash day routine, you definitely have seen it. Or I use this scarf when I want to go to bed. Then basically the kind of hairstyles I've been doing is basically combos like this, and I had done yarn twist once, and I also did the African threading with Brazilian wool. I have the videos of all these hairstyles on my channel. I have the videos of all these hairstyles on my channel. If you haven't seen them, they'll be in the description box. I also have a video of how I contour my hair coming up after this one. So now we're going to take out my hair and we're going to see what it looks like from my big chop right here to what it's going to look like when we take it out. Right, are we ready? So this is what my hair looks like currently, and if you can tell, my edges are actually growing out. It's not fast, but there's an improvement. Right, so we're going to take out my hair now. I'm going to take out all of this. It's actually 2 weeks old. We're going to take it out and we'll see. We'll do a lane check, guys. I am so anxious.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hello, it is everybody for you. Body me just shape for them. What is up for what you
No! Oh yeah, I got joy. No, 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 no,
Just while taking it out, and probably plus a tiny bit, because definitely I was combing and breeze would make it fly away. So I'm just going to show you guys a few things now. If you guys saw my video or my hair when I big chopped it, or when I chopped it, you would know that there's an improvement here, except you're an hater. And I know like haters cannot be on, right? You're not an hater. You're not an hater. So I'm rambling too much. So there's a difference. There is a difference. Okay. And obviously on this side too. So my edges are growing out. 3 months, I think it's actually there's an improvement. So here we're going to do this. Okay. So another thing about my hair is, I think when I cut my hair was not balanced. I am thinking of doing maybe another trim. So you guys see this side. I feel like my hair is not rhyme. I don't know if I'm right. So then on this side, I'm so excited, like. Then I'm going to come to the front. So now I'm just going to comb it out, and we're going to do a puff check. We're going to do a puff check. So I'm going to spray with my, just going to spray water all over it a bit. You guys see? Very tiny. My hair is not breaking. So I'm going to use this to go like this. Guys, my hair is just 3 months old. Just 3 months. I am shocked. What will it look like in 6 months? Like, what will my hair... 6 months is going to be... Okay, so 3 months is March 15, April 15, then April, May 15, then June 15, probably like this. I'm so excited, like... I am honestly excited about this journey. And it fits me. Then I'm going to go in with my braided headband. I have a tutorial on how you can do this yourself at home because I did this myself, and the tutorial is probably just before this one. I'll have a link up and in the description. I have said I'll have a lot of things linked up. I pray I don't forget. So I'll go over this so you guys see. And it's also adjustable, guys. I make life easy for myself. So look at this. How cute. How cute. What do you guys think? I think I made a lot of progress in the last 3 months. And also, I'll just keep doing what I am doing. I have been thinking of introducing like more high-end products into my hair routine, but I'm scared. And I'm scared because I feel like my hair in the last 3 months I've gotten used to the products I showed you guys, and I feel another thing I would want to introduce to my hair routine in the next 6 months is probably like herbs, like Ayurvedic herbs. God. It's probably Ayurvedic herbs, Ayurvedic herbs. Another thing that I have not been doing since I chopped my hair is I have not used heat on my hair in the last 3 months. I have not used any form of heat. So anytime I wash my hair, I just let it air dry. I have not used it. I don't know if that's a bad thing. I don't know if it's a good thing. But as long as my hair is thriving, I don't have any intention of introducing it even in the next 3 months. So that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question at all that you think I didn't attend to in this video, please drop it in the comment section. I will definitely be replying you. And please don't skip my videos. If you enjoyed this one, please take a minute or a few minutes to watch one more video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If there's any tutorial you would want to see on this channel, please drop the suggestion in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.